Here's your stock and focus segment. It's JBL circuit, and it's being focused in on and I just felt that it would be good for us to do the stock and focus on it. Here you could see when it really was in its infancy, it did very, very well. You could see this big move here. You had your 1 wave 2. You see the 3, very dramatic. Then you see the 4, 5. It takes this big move to the downside. It goes through this correction, ABC, tries to rally back. Really is not able to really do, really transcend. What people are forgetting when they look at this, they need to understand some of the nuances of what happened here. When you start to see what, the old data here, you got to remember and you got to take it in thought of what kind of time frame was it. We were dealing with the dot-com boom and the technology boom. This is where the NASDAQ went crazy and everything in it went crazy. So you could see the dramatic move. So when you start to see it try to rally back, it makes complete sense why you do not see the same kind of magnitude of a move here. And you're not going to see that kind of a magnitude of a move because it's not in the same kind of development. It wasn't new. It hasn't been, was running for a long time short trading range and then eventually breaks to the upside. That's not what we saw here. And what happens after that .com, you could see it takes a long time some time for it to try to recover a little bit. Then during, it starts to recover during the real estate boom. And here you see the 2 swings. It's just really as an ABC kind of move here. But then you start to see a pretty dramatic corrective move at the end of it. This was during the banking collapse, making perfect sense of what you're seeing here. That you see this kind of move here, but then you see the recovery here. Then you see a 3 wave. Then you see the 4, 5. Then you see that down move. Now, what we're seeing is very similar to what's going on in the marketplace. It almost looks like ABC formations because they're really just short movements here. We're not seeing this impulsive type of move. Now that's on the monthly here, so that's showing that there could be some issues here. As you see it trying to get over the 100-day moving average, it does, but it breaks back down. You also see, and you could say, well,